Welcome to the TaxAct Professional Software General Training video. Now that you have successfully installed your TaxAct Professional software and set up your master information, you're now ready to start preparing returns. To create your first return, click the Add New Client button in the blue toolbar. If you have installed more than one return type, select the return type from the drop-down menu. Next, you will enter your client's basic information in the Add Client pop-up window. If you have selected State Software, you will be prompted to add to the return after clicking the Create Client button. If you elected to store your client data locally, the first time you create a return, you will be asked if you would like to enable Autosave. Autosave is recommended, as this feature automatically saves changes as you complete the return. After entering the client's basic information, you will be taken to the Basic Information Worksheet Forms view by default. In Forms view, you may select a form from the Forms tree on the left pane. Federal forms are categorized into 5 folders: Information Worksheets, Forms and Schedules, Documents Received, Worksheets, State Planners. To search for any form, use the search bar in the upper left corner. To add a form to the return, double-click the form folder and the form will appear to the right for you to complete. Should a client have more than one W-2, click Add Copy and update the new form. You may also enter information in the question and answer interview input method. To toggle from Forms view to Q&A view, click the Q&A button above the form search bar. To toggle back to Forms view, click the Forms button in the toolbar. To return to the Client Manager, click the Clients button in the toolbar. Your return will now be displayed in the Client Manager. You may double-click the return in Client Manager to reopen the return, or you may click Add New Client button to create a new return. Reach out to the TaxAct Professional Support Team if you have any questions on getting started.